everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this bass fishing video, you're going to see me catch my biggest bass of the year on a lure you've seen before. It is the Geecrack Tiny Gilling 75. This little lure, it's got a punch, and it helped me catch my PB. So let's go. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo! Holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! At that one. Hooked. Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny. Want to welcome you to the next video here. In this video here, you're going to watch some footage of me using this tiny Geecrack Gilling 75, and really putting in some work and catching some really nice bass, as well as my personal best. So please like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button, because this is a video you will really enjoy. So let's go. There we go. There we go, folks. There we go. There we go. On that Geecrack. Woo! This is a monster. This is a monster. Woo! This is a monster, everybody. I got a monster. Oh my God. Woo! Oh, look at this. On the Geecrack. Oh my God. Look at this thing. This thing is huge. I got a monster. Oh, look at that. On that little minnow. Look at the size of that fish right there. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that, everybody. That is a giant on that little Geecrack minnow. Look at that, everybody. 6.9 pounds a month. Look at this, everybody. Topwater Johnny here, man. Look at this monster right here. He is huge. 6.89 on a Geecrack. That is a big bass, man. And I got him, man, on this little bitty bait. This is incredible. Oh, can't even hold him out far enough, folks. Look at that big mouth right there. That is a monster fish. 6.89, man. All right. That's what we was talking about. Let him go. There she goes. Big bass. Woo! Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny here. Well, there you have it, man. On that Geecrack, little tiny gill, that big bass came up and swallowed it. And I got him, boy. 6.9, man. Almost 7 pounds. Wow, man, that was huge right there, man. Oh, and as always, no one's out here. No one's out here to see me. I don't even have my buddy with me, which is Steve from Get Your Fish On. He ain't even out here this morning. And I needed Steve here, man, for the photos and stuff. That was a big bass. Huge, man, just huge. Super excited, man, super excited on that one. All right then, well, we'll just keep on going, okay. There we go. There we go on the Geecrack. All right. There we go. There we go. Woo! On that Geecrack right there, everybody. That little minnow, that little bluegill. We got one. Got another one here. This isn't as big as the last one, but we'll still take them. All right. All right, everybody. There's another one here. Not as big, but I'll still take them on that bluegill. All right. All right, stop with Johnny here, man. Look at this one on that Geecrack Tiny Gill. We got this one right here, so ain't no complaints. He came up and struck it. So, all right, no complaints. There we go. Nice one, a little over 1.5 pounds, but no complaints. All right. There we go. The Geecrack. There we go. Ha! On the Geecrack. There we go, everybody. That's what we were looking for. Right there. On that Geecrack right there, bluegill. All right. All right. There he is. Nice one. Okay. Everybody's Topwater Johnny here. We got another one here on that bluegill Geecrack. So we are definitely catching them on it. So no complaints. We're just enjoying ourselves with that Geecrack little bluegill, and it's making it happen. All right. All right, everybody. There it is right there. Nice little one right here. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. On that Geecrack. All right. Right there. Look at that. On that Geecrack. All right. All right, everybody. There he is. On that Geecrack gill. All right, everybody. It's Topwater Johnny here on that Geecrack shallow wake bait. We got this one right here, so no complaints. All right, then we're making some progress. Keep it on with the Geecrack. All right. All right, there he is on that Geecrack. Okay, no complaints. Everybody's talking with Johnny. Well, you just saw that one right there. We were fishing those lily pads in the shallows and kind of running it through. We got that hit, so no complaints, and we'll just keep on going, see what happens. All right. There we go. There we go on that Geecrack. All right. Woo! Another one. There we go, everybody. On that Geecrack gill. They love it. All right, there he is. Another one. Okay. Well, everybody, we got a little pattern going right now. And they like that little gill, that little bluegill. So we don't have no complaints. Bass down here. Like I said, we don't have no complaints. And he struck it. They're all spawned out, but now they're hungry. So we're going to get them with that little gill. Okay. Okay, everybody. No complaints. Well, everybody, there you go. You saw it in action. You saw that little Geecrack Tiny Gilling put in work, helping me catch my PB, but then also helping me catch a lot of other really nice bass as well. So what we're going to do now, go back to the studio, and there I'll give you my final thoughts. All right. Hey, everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. I hope you enjoyed the video. Super excited in this video because I was able to catch my biggest bass of the year. My mind was just going crazy when I caught that fish. I just didn't see it coming. But that bass was technically 6 pounds, 10 ounces. So that's almost a 7-pound bass. So I really was excited about catching that fish. And specifically, I got him on, like I said before, the Geecrack Tiny Gilling number 75 right here. I included a link in my bio, actually a link in the description box. So if you want to go over to the Hookup Tackle, check one out for yourself, go ahead and do that. Now, me catching a bass that's almost 7 pounds, this lure is worth the investment right here. And it is not a cheap lure. It's like $22 for this lure, but the ability to catch big bass on this tiny little bait was huge. And so I was just so excited about that. And it was just a great time out there on the water. As you saw, I caught a few more bass on other days and other times as well. But that big bass, it was just so much fun because I've been really wanting to catch something big and nice so I could show you guys. So once again, that was just awesome. Now the next things that are coming up, I'll be doing my own version of an unboxing later on this week here, where I'll be unboxing and sharing with you some topwater lures and some swim baits that I'm going to be fishing in the shallows. And I think that you're really going to enjoy my unboxing as well. And that'll be later on this week. Last thing here is, as always, give me your thoughts. Hopefully this video warrants a like, because this was the best of the best for me right now. So please like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. Any questions, anything like that, please shoot me a note. I'm always happy to respond to each and every one of you guys. And once again, I just want to thank you guys so much. And I want you to always remember that phrase. Keep your line tight, because when you hit those topwater lures, and especially lures like the Geecrack Tiny Gilling 75, it for sure is going to be a big bite. I'll see you in the next video.